What has been falling over the state of Florida for the last 6 months are unprecedented levels of heavy metals, readily fatal metals that have no business being in the air we breathe. But these amounts and the combinations are lethal, and at best, they are physically debilitating. They are neurologically and mentally disabling that can destroy healthy mental functioning, including causing and accelerating psychotic disorders like schizophrenia, neurocognitive degenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. Today, Mike released the results of the mass spectroscopy test analysis.
Part of the chemtrail operations that have been going on have been thick with aluminum, but not to this scale. The numbers that we are seeing in this report are 10, 50, 100 times the quote-unquote safe levels.
Inhaling mercury vapor can lead to inflammation of the lungs, called a chemical pneumonitis, can cause tremors, emotional changes, insomnia, as well as kidney